Hello, welcome to Global Defense. In this video, I am going to show you the top 10 countries with the most fighter jets in the world in 2023. So let's get started. Starting with number 10, we have Egypt. Total fighter jets 245. At number 9, Saudi Arabia. Total fighter jets 283. Number 8, Taiwan. Total fighter jets 285. Number 7, Pakistan. Total fighter jets 363. Number 6, South Korea. Total fighter jets 402. Number 5, North Korea. Total fighter jets 458. Number 4, India. Total fighter jets 577. Number 3, Russia. Total fighter jets 773. Number 2, China. Total fighter jets 1199. And number 1, United States. Total fighter jets 1914. Thanks for watching.